I'm just gonna start recording. And I'll take up.
Okay.
Oh, you're a little before.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
So wait, what map? Wait, what
Holding
map is this? Wait.
it's a little house.
Okay, I'm in. I'll wait for you.
Oh.
Oh, hey, you're floating. No, actually, you're just moonwalking in midair.
Hey.
Ah.
Which one is which?
Okay, so objective. Prevent
I've
the.
also written some notes on the whiteboard if you need them.
What the frick?
There's been no reports of violence or sightings, but please remain careful.
Prevent the ghost from hunting the crucifix.
What the heck?
Capture a photo of dirty water in the sink. And
Wait, was that you? Was that you?
It was not me. It was not me.
Okay.
And then cleanse the area.
Alright, whatever. Let's go.
Name Daniel White. Oh.
Okay, let's go.
What was it? Why were we recording already?
Oh my god!
Give me a second.
Already? What the frick?
Give me a second.
Oh.
What happened?
Holy crap.
What the heck happened?
I found a bone. Hey, you know, I should get the camera.
This is...
I'm gonna put this right here.
This is a dangerous ghost. I can tell.
Mm-hmm.
Don't leave
I'm
me.
coming back in.
Don't leave me.
I need the photo camera.
I'm going upstairs.
Okay, I'm gonna take a picture of this.
Or make it
Yeah, that's how you do it. Alright, no, don't make it mad yet. Oh,
EMF 2?
two?
Wait, right here?
Right here?
Right here?
Oh, it's literally right here.
Well, no wonder.
Wait,
no
what about
wonder
over
it
here?
was over here.
Okay,
So,
hold on.
It's not EMF level 5.
Up.
Wait, oh, yeah, there it is. Wait, can I just pick that up again? Can I please pick up? Can I please? Thank you.
There we go. It's a good camera.
Thank you. Do we need to get pictures? Do we? We don't do that. Smudge sticks. We don't have smudge sticks.
I don't think we have any.
God.
Nope.
Dang. Okay. You know I'm picking up this, and I can't pick up the flashlight that you use. Okay, so I'm gonna just go back in and talk to it. I'm gonna stand right outside this door.
Okay. It just threw a ball down the stairs. What the heck? We go back in.
Wait, check if there's any ghost traps. Just wait here to see if there's any ghost traps. I'll go
Okay.
by myself. 'Cause I'm a brave boy. Not really. Okay. Daniel White, how old are you?
Oh my god! Oh my
Oh
god!
shit!
What the hell was that? Oh my god, I hate you! I hate you! I hate you!
Oh, shit. Wrong one. Let's go in.
It said,
See the activity was going up.
it said Daniel White. I hate you so much. Okay. Okay, now we got.
We go back in. We go back in.
No, you go in. You. It's your turn. Your turn. Yeah, your turn to take on this ghost.
EMF level 3.
EMF 3. Okay. I got a footstep over here.
No more
Is
EMF.
this a glitch ghost? It's for some reason awfully close. Okay, so we need. You know
Oh,
what?
response to everyone. Let's just both go in. Put that little thing down.
I'm putting. You know what? I'm putting it on the carpet. You know, you suck so much. I'm putting it right there.
Let's go.
I'm putting it right
No, no,
No,
come back,
I'm not
come
going
back.
back. I'm not with your
Yes,
foolery.
you are.
With your
Yes,
foolery,
you are.
I'm not going in there.
Yes, you are.
Fine. I'm coming in. I'm gonna drop this again. Yeah, let me actually move this book up towards where it is. Why is the EMF not going off? Is it gone?
It's down here, like right here.
Wait, is that freezing temperatures? I saw like breath, I think.
No. Come in, I don't want to get trapped in here by myself.
Oh, go outside! Hey, I got
No, we go inside.
we go at ghost riding. At ghost riding.
Oh, we did?
Yep. Okay, so it can either be Oni, demon, or spirit. So let me go. So Oni. Yeah. So we need EMF level 5, but we haven't been getting that, right?
Nope.
So demon, we need spirit box, but freezing temperatures. So it's not freezing temperatures, right? Because you didn't get high freezing temperatures.
No.
So that must mean it's a spirit. With fingerprints.
No, 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 no. We can just... Where are you?
I am outside.
Where are you?
We were
Far. Oh, there's spirit box.
I just said spirit box!
Oh.
I just told you that!
Okay,
I'm going for spirit, because... Actually, you know, you don't have a thermometer, don't you?
I do. Let's go back in. This way.
Take that! Jesus!
Turn off your light.
I hear that mic. I hear that mic.
No, you can't. It has to be. No, you can't do that. It has to turn it on by itself. Oh, fingerprints. Take a picture of that.
Fingerprint.
Take a picture of the fingerprints. Okay, we go now. We go.
We leave. Bye, Mr. Ghost. We go now. We go. Jesus. God. 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 This is the worst ghost ever. Put spirit. I hope you have spirit.
I have spirit.
Okay. I'm never going in there again. Oh my god. Why are we heartbeating again?
Welcome back.
Oh, dang, that's a lot of money.
Nice. Hey, I'm level 5.
That's a lot of monies.
Thank God. That makes me heartbeat.
That was funny. You know why it was funny? Here, look at me. Look at me.